How to extract the year from a Python datetime object? I would like to extract the year from the current date using Python. In C#, this looks like. What is required in Python?
It's in fact almost the same in Python. Smile. Of course, date doesn't have a time associated, so if you care about that too, you can do the same with a complete datetime object. Obviously no different, but you can store datetime.datetime.today in a variable before you grab the year, of course. One key thing to note is that the time components can differ between 32-bit and 64-bit Pythons in some Python versions, 2.5.x3 I think. So you will find things like hour per minute per second on some 64-bit platforms, while you get hours/minute per second on 32-bit.
Or even, as Leonard suggested. Or even.
The other answers to this question seem to hit it spot on. Now how would you figure this out for yourself without Stack Overflow? Check out IPython, an interactive Python shell that has tab autocomplete. Press tab a few times and you'll be prompted with the members of the now object. And you'll see that now.year is a member of the now object.
If you want the year from a unknown datetime object,
if you want to see more, please consider subscribing.